Hello everyone, this is Mohilan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Hotel Management and Catering Science. I would like to share my thoughts about Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine is one of the world's oldest living culinary tradition. When we talk about the history, the ancient foundation starts from Indus Valley Civilization, and in South India there are some food traditions over 2500 BCE. Then the spiritual era, that is Vedic period, and Mauryan, Guptan periods, Mughal era. Then the European influence comes from the colonization of British peoples. The British shaped tea rituals and bakery traditions, giving a rise to Anglo-Indian gastronomy. Indian cuisine absorbed these influences gracefully and adopting without losing its soul. The Portuguese introduced chili, potato, tomato and cashew, ingredients now inspirable from Indian cuisine. And now presentation, aroma and texture were given equal importance, principles that resonate deeply within modern luxury hospitality. Soon India emerged as the land of spice. Black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves traveled across continents through flourishing trade routes. Indian flavors became captivating the world. The era strengthened regional identities and evaluating spices from simple ingredients to prized global treasures. Masala refers to a blend of spices that provides flavor, aroma, color and identity to Indian dishes. Each masala has its unique composition and preparation method, and it plays a vital role in professional kitchens as well as traditional cooking. Let's begin with garam masala. Garam masala is one of the most important spice blends in North Indian cuisine. The word garam means hot, which refers to the warming nature of the spice, not the chilly heat. Next is chaat masala. Chaat masala is a tangy and spicy masala used mainly in snacks and street foods. Now let's see sambar masala. Sambar masala is an essential spice blend used in South Indian cuisine. Its ingredients include coriander seeds, red chilies and cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, black pepper, curry leaf and turmeric. Next is rasam. Rasam is one of the basic soup that is being served in South Indian cuisine. Rasam masala is used to prepare rasam, which is a traditional South Indian soup. And now let's understand the channa masala. Channa masala is used for preparing chickpea curry. In channa means in Hindi it is chickpea. Its ingredients include coriander seeds, cumin seeds, red chilies, black pepper, cloves, cinnamon and dry mango powder, pomegranate seed powder. Next, goda masala. Goda masala is a traditional masala from Maharashtra. It has a mild, sweet, aromatic flavor. Finally, kolhapuri masala. Kolhapuri masala is a spice masala from Kolhapur region of Maharashtra. And masalas are the backbone of Indian cooking. Each masala has its own composition and preparation method, and it gives a unique identity to the dish. Understanding masalas is very important for hospitality professionals to prepare authentic Indian cuisine. Next, we would like to share our thoughts about gravies. Indian gravies are considered the heart of Indian cooking. They provide flavor, body, texture and richness to a dish. Whether it is a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, the gravy plays a key role in defining the final taste and appearance. White gravy is creamy, rich and mild in flavor. Red gravy is tomato based. Brown gravy is darker in color. Yellow gravy gets its color from turmeric. Green gravy is made using green leafy ingredients like spinach, coriander and mint. But when we talk about regional cuisine, South Indian cuisine reflects tropical abundance. Rice is central. Coconut, curry leaf and mustard seeds and tamarind create a layered yet balanced flavor. Fermentation techniques gives us idli, dosa that has been considered as a scientific, sustainable and nourishing. Traditional meals are served on banana leaves, symbolizing eco-conscious hospitality and cultural pride. So most of the South Indian dishes has been influenced by its own traditional local vegetables and ingredients. In contrast, North India creates and celebrates wheat-based breads and dairy richness. And then there is the Tandoor, a magnificent clay oven radiating intense heat. It imparts a smoky elegance to non-roti and delicately marinated meats. Other than South and North, we have East Indian cuisine and West, Central, everything. All combined giving us a diversity food throughout the India. So when we talk about ingredients and the regional vegetables, fruits, everything will be cultivated in India. India's cultural diversity is clearly reflected in its food. Each region has its own unique dishes based on local climate, religion, and traditions. In North India, as I told you before, wheat-based foods like roti and rich gravies are common. In South India, rice, dosa, and sambar are staple foods. Coastal regions specialize in seafood, while desert regions prepare foods that last longer. Religious practices also influence food with many vegetarian and traditional festival foods. Thus, Indian cuisine represents the culture, history, and diversity of the country through its wide varieties of dishes. Next, Tandoor. Tandoor cuisine is one of the most famous and traditional cooking methods in Indian cuisine. The word tandoor refers to a cylindrical clay oven which is heated using charcoal or firewood. This cooking method dates back over 5000 years to Indus Valley civilization, making it one of the oldest cooking techniques in India. The temperature inside the tandoor can reach up to 400 to 500 degrees Celsius, which allows food to cook very quickly. This high heat gives a food unique smoky flavor, crispy outer layer and juicy interior. One of the most important steps in tandoor cooking is marination. Foods like chicken, paneer and fish are marinated with yogurt, spices, garlic, ginger and lemon juice. This helps to improve the flavor, tenderness and color of dish. Some popular tandoor dishes include tandoor chicken, chicken tikka, paneer tikka, sheikh kebab and tandoor fish. The tandoor is also used to prepare Indian breads such as naan, roti and kulcha, which are stuck to the inner wall of the oven. Tandoor cuisine is widely known and used in restaurants and luxury hotels where it is valued for its traditional appeal and rich taste. Tandoor cuisine is an important part of Indian culinary heritage, known for its unique cooking method, smoky flavor and global popularity. In conclusion, Indian cuisine is a perfect reflection of the country's rich culture, history and diversity. From regional specialties and traditional masalas to unique cooking methods like the tandoor, each element showcases India's culinary excellence. The balance of flavors, variety of ingredients, and cultural influences make Indian cuisine unique and globally respected. Understanding Indian cuisine is essential for hospitality professionals as it represents not just food but heritage, tradition, and identity of India. Thank you. If you have any doubts, just post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.